You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is r equals to 81/8. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 281/8 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is r equals to 81/8.